Okay, we're overlooking the Cotai Strip. You can see the Morpheus building right there. And we kind of have a playground right here, and we also have another side over there. So we're going to show you, and we also got some pretty cool trees as well. So we're going to show both sides, and we're kind of up on a ridge. So stay tuned. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So right there is Must University. We're gonna get a closer view of this one in a minute. Let's just kind of go up a little bit, and then you can just see that this is actually a road, and this road ends right here, and then you have to turn around, and there's hiking trails that go all the way over that way, and some hiking trails that go down this way too. And we're just gonna take a look around a little bit. And this side you can see Macau side. So that's Macau. That's the bridge that goes, that's kind of the longest bridge to the right. There's some hikers down that way. There's more. So they kind of looks like they're kind of going around the mountain, the loop, that paved road. You can see them going right there, right? More coming this way as well. Okay. So you can see some ships coming in, and that bridge goes to the northern part of Macau, goes around. There's some casinos over here on Macau side. Right on this periphery part you can see a handful of them. MGM. So that's the Macau side casinos. And then way over to the farther side is Zhuhai, China. That's like way over in this distance this way, and then this is all Macau stuff. And then you can also see right in here, I think that's like immigration ferry terminal stuff right over there. It's a little hard to see through the trees. Let's just kind of see if we can see through the trees a little bit down a little ways. Let me see. So I think this one right here is the airport, I think. A ferry terminal. I think it's a ferry terminal. Yeah, now you can kind of see it. So I think that the ferry terminal is parked way out there, and they'll come in, they go to Hong Kong and Zhuhai in China. All the Hong Kong ones are closed as far as I know. They have been for a year and a half, but I think the China ones are open. So yeah, it's a COVID era for people that don't know. There's some factories in here. But yeah, the COVID era, it's Macau is open to China, but it's closed to the rest of the world. And a foreigner like me is lucky to be here, but I can't really go anywhere else. And it's not just Macau that's closed, it's everywhere in Asia is closed. So beautiful trees. That's a really beautiful tree right there. I like that a lot. Frame it like that. There's a playground. Just gonna walk down it a little bit. You can also see the monorail train line. Got a playground, but I won't film too much of that. We'll focus on the view. It looks like there's a little trail down there. Let's go check it out. Oh! So yeah, actually this trail is good, so we can kind of get a view of the trail. And I think this trail goes around, so we saw it on the one side and we'll see it on this side as well. Okay, so now I think the airport is over here. There it is. So the other side is a ferry, and then this is the airport. So now we have a good view of that. And all these kind of nice trails too, right? Go all the way around the mountain. So there we go. So now we have, that's the runway way in the distance. Planes can land and take off and come up this way. And then you have this parking space for the airport. Small airport, but then the airport goes right on this light rail train line. So I think the end is right there. It just stops, I think, right there. I think the airport's the last stop, and that's the last stop, and then it navigates throughout all this Cotai area side stuff. And you can see some casinos. There's Venetian, there's Parisian, City of Dreams, Morpheus, several hotels like the Sheraton, Grand Hyatt Hotel. That's Wind Palace, that's Macau Palace. So it's pretty nice little space. And you can go back up to where we came from, or you can keep going into these little areas like this. We'll just kind of walk in a little bit to see what our trail looks like. if you keep walking, I think it goes right into a playground and public bathrooms and things like that, and just keep walking and you'll get all the way around the mountain. And so maybe we'll just end it right there. So hope you like that one. Got a little slice of Macau. It's nice seeing those mountains all the way in the background like that too, out in the ocean. Okay.
Toma cuidado, la